the differential of a automobile. So differential in automobile, why it is required? The first and foremost thing theory behind differential in automobile is here to understand that differential is being provided for obtaining the various speeds for the different wheel rotation. For example, your differential which is being considered as the N, capital N speed, and the outer wheel and the inner wheel changes its speed as N1 and N2. So whenever you are considering the N2, it is nothing but capital N plus small n, the extra n, and that is called as the outside wheel more rotation. And when you are considering the N1, capital N1, that is equal to capital N minus small n, that is small n is again the round rotations of the inner wheel. So here we are going to consider this case of the dismantle and assemble of the differential. So what is the aim of the given experiment? It is to determine and identify the parts of the differential by dismantling and assembling it. So what component we require? We require an automobile differential. So this particular differential is nothing but an Ashok Leyland differential which is being used. Okay. And what tools we require is again the same panel gauge, rocket, ratchet box, the socket, the screwdriver, the different hammer. So these are sufficient for getting the dismantle and assemble of the given differential of an automobile. So here what exactly we are going to conduct here is we are going to remove this particular cases. Okay, these are nothing but the flange couplings which has been kept, and to the coupling we are having the sun and the planning assembly and the crown wheel. Now to understand in detail, we have a small scale model of the differential of an automobile. Here we can see whenever your vehicle is rotating with the same rotation, you can see this is a crown wheel which is being there. This is a crown wheel, so the complete assembly tends to rotate. Here you can observe the sun gear which is connected is to the crown wheel, and the planet gears are nothing but this which we are getting. You can see here easily, this is nothing but the planet gears which are being used. These are the sun gears and these are the planet gears which is being used. Here is planet gears assembly. This is a small gears which is being there is a planet gear. So how to understand the first? So whenever your two wheels are rotating in the same direction, it's a parallel, the sun and the planet gear assembly will not at all rotate. You can observe here it is not at all rotating. So whenever your turn is taking, see here, observe the complete unit is rotating with more amount of speed. So this is your, whenever your vehicle is taking a left turn, so this is called as the left wheel, this is called as the right wheel. You can see right wheel is rotating more when compared to the inner wheel. So whenever the vehicle is taking a right turn, you can see here the vehicle is having very less amount of rotation in the wheel. So this is your working of a differential of an automobile. As I mentioned, capital N is nothing but the speed of the differential, small n is nothing but the extra speed which is being considered when they are taking a turn for the outer wheel, and minus n when you are taking the inner wheel. So this particular experiment, what we are going to find out is the axle diameter, okay, and we are going to find the crown wheel diameter, number of teeth of the crown wheel, the sun gear diameter, the number of teeth on the sun gear, the planet gear diameter, number of teeth on the planet gear, and finally the dimensions of the given differential are determined and assembled back to get the different ratio. So how exactly we are going to find all these observations with the help of the tape and the outside caliper, and also with the help of the vernier caliper we are going to get the given automobile differential. So this particular video, hope everyone will have understood. Thank you for your patience.